In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Cloudflare R2 storage for cloud objects. First, log into your Cloudflare dashboard and select R2 Object Storage from the left-hand menu. Next, click Create Bucket and give your bucket a unique name. Once the bucket is created, open it and upload your files. R2 supports storing cloud objects such as images, videos, backups, documents, and application data. You can upload files directly through the dashboard or use the R2 API and S3 compatible tools for automated uploads. After your objects are stored, Cloudflare R2 manages them inside your bucket and makes them available for retrieval when needed. You can organize files into folders, manage permissions, and integrate R2 with applications, websites, and Cloudflare workers. To verify everything is working, upload a test file and confirm that it appears inside your bucket. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please feel free to use the affiliate link in the description.